Okay, for example 6, it talks about using inverse properties of arc sines and sines. You'll notice here that I wrote down the inverse properties here on the right for you. You probably should press pause and copy these down onto the back of your formula reference sheet because they're not there. Okay, well, let's use them. Part A says find the tangent of the arctangent of -5. So the tangent's on the outside of the arctangent of x is equal to x, so it equals -5 if the x was any real number. -5 is a real number, so the answer is -5. Okay. Part B, the arc sine. So the arc sine of y equals y if it's between -pi/2 and pi/2. Pi/3 is not in that area. So let's come down here to the bottom and see if I can do something else to help me solve that. We know 5pi/3 is right here. So 5pi/3 is between -pi/2 and pi/2. It's just not called 5pi/3 in that area. It's called -pi/3. So the answer is -pi/3. I found a coterminal angle that did exist between this range. Okay, this says anywhere in the fourth and first quadrant. 5pi/3 is in the fourth quadrant, but it's not named that in the fourth quadrant in this range right here. So we changed the name to -pi/3, and so the value is -pi/3. Part C wants us to find the cosine on the outside of the arc cosine of x, so of the arc cosine of pi would be pi, if it's between -1 and +1. Well, pi is equal to 3.14, and so that is outside the -1 to +1 range, so it's not defined. Let's go ahead and try number 55. That says the cosine of the arc cosine of -0.3. Okay, so cosine, arc cosine, is between -1 and 1 because it's -0.3, so the answer is just -0.3.